In this video, you are going to see how to make all lines in same length and distribute it perfectly in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and hold down the Shift key to draw a straight line. Again, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick another line shape and draw it like this. Again, go to Insert, go to Shape, let us choose another shape and draw it like this. Now let us click on the first shape. Here the width is 2.83. Let us choose this one and let us change the width to 2.83. Now let us select this one. If you find difficulty to select it, go to Home, go to Select, go to Selection pane and just select it from here and go to Shape Format and change the width to 2.83. Now if you want to distribute it perfectly, go to Home, go to Select, Selection pane, hold down the Ctrl key and select these three shapes. Go to Shape Format, go to Align and let us choose this one, Distribute Vertically. Again go to Align and Align Center. Then it will be in the perfect size and the perfect gap. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.